And here's how that turned out. Beautifully clean work surface, not a single trace of dough or flour anywhere on it. Isn't that gorgeous? Also, I have bread. This is one of the old batch that was 200 mils of cream and 50 mils of water. This was 150 mils of cream, 100 mils of water, and the same 3:2 ratio of flour as this one. This is 150 mils of cream, 100 mils of water, and a 4:1 ratio. And here we have the 4:1 ratio with 50 mils of cream and 200 mils of water. No, sorry, 100 mils of cream and 150 mils of water. So 200 to 50, 150 to 100, 100 to 150. On your left with time, on your right without time. You can see the undersides, top sides in glorious full colour detail, mind you. You can see they have, where the dough was squeezed together but not fully kneaded into one ball, they have sort of split a little bit, just like there. No big deal. Decorative little homemade farmhouse buns for serving with the soup in some small cafe or something. And here are the insides, without time and with time. And I think that might actually be a piece of time. No, it isn't, it's just a hole, sorry. There's a piece, here on the side. Now, that's a little time leaf. See, there is one spot here that's slightly caked up. But apart from that, these are both... Actually, that bit's... Well, it's powdery, but it's quite dense. It's not cakey like that colourful bit. But they have both turned out as fluffy bread. So apparently, the ingredient added to increase your chances of a critical success was not what was causing the critical failure. It was the ratio of cream, the actual fundamental recipe. Cream, not really your best choice.